everyone, it's Misty here, design team member for Stamp Anything. Welcome to Hi everyone, it's Misty here, design team member for Stamp Anything. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we have a Spock, Live Long and Prosper. I can't do that. Maybe a little bit. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all of the design team designs for Spock, and we're going to go over the entire release. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up. If you are interested in the Misfit bundle, today is the last day to pre-order. You get a ton of stamps and sentiments. It's going to be so much fun. It's literally just a stamp set, so there's no dies or anything else. But if you love the color and you love Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, then yeah, I think you're gonna love it. Okay, so do I need to tell you anything else? No, don't forget to join the Facebook group for more inspiration. I will be back next Friday for a Fanny Friday, and I think Brendan has a video coming up. Check back. I will try to remember to pop up the dates that he's going to be on the channel. So anyway, that's it. Let's head over to the craft table and we'll get started. All right, friends, it's day 3 and we have Mr. Spock. So this is Spock, Live Long and Prosper. So it says once a Trekkie, always a Trekkie, live long and prosper. And then we have his die. Here's a little story from me to you. So if you didn't know, my background's in education, like early childhood education. And there's a famous doctor called Dr. Spock who wrote, I don't know how many books he wrote, but he wrote about parenting and childhood, etc. And forever, I was like, I don't understand. Is this a separate man? So yeah. But anyway, that's it. So let me walk you through all of the release at one time. We have the computer stencil. We have the Boldly Go word die. We have the ship builder die. We have James, I don't believe in a no-win scenario. We have Uhura, hailing frequencies open. And then we have Mr. Spock, live long and prosper. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, I know I repeat a lot, but I want you guys to know. If you want any or part of this release, you can sign up for Stamp Club. You can either do just the stamps and the dies, or the whole kit and caboodle. You save the most money if you sign up for the whole kit and caboodle. There's also Stencil Club. A direct link to this release is in the description box down below. If you follow me for a while or follow this channel for a while, you know that I always ask you to let me know if there's any particular techniques or tricks you'd like to see me do in our Fanny Friday videos. So be sure to leave those down below. Subscribe before you go, follow the Facebook group, all of the things. I will see you next Friday for another Fanny Friday. Bye for now.